So what is the best ROM for the Redmi Note 3? Why are you not making videos on the Redmi Note 3? Well, I was making videos on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Testing custom ROMs is not easy, guys. I have to put so much time with it. I have to check everything before I make a video about a ROM, and it is definitely like testing a new phone almost every day. So I have to make time for each device and each ROM. So I was not lying around on the bed. I was testing ROMs, so that's why it took time. And right now, today I'm back with another video on the Redmi Note 3 with a fresh new custom ROM. And let me tell you, this ROM is one of the best, or you might call it the best ROM for Redmi Note 3 as of now. Why? Let me start it from here. This ROM does support the second SIM VoLTE, and even the first slot VoLTE is working fine. So individually on the both SIMs, VoLTE should be working fine for your Redmi Note 3 on the Geo SIMs. And I don't know if you can see it. There is my VoLTE logo right there. I think you can see it right now. The SIM card is on the second SIM slot and VoLTE is working fine. And you get the video calling option. I could not test the video calling, but I think it should be working fine. But I'm not sure though that the video calling works or not. So let's go to the next point to talk about the customizations. Well, this is a most interesting part of a custom ROM. Well, yes, this ROM has you covered on every freaking aspect. I have to say, this ROM has every customization you need. Let me show you that this ROM has this kind of quick toggle customizations, and you get a lot of options for this, and you can set whatever quick toggle styles if you want to, and you can change the fonts, the whole UI fonts, you can change it over here. You can customize all the things, and you even have this. Let me show you. As you can see, the brightness sliding option from the status bar. So this is one pretty cool feature, and I really use it with my daily driving, and I really feel this is one amazing feature. And you even have the double tap to sleep and stuff, but no double tap to sleep on the home screen on the default launcher. And if you swipe down just like this, it won't get you the notification panel. So that's a downside, but yeah, this is one of the best custom ROM you can get because you have all the customizations you need. You can use the navigation panel, the software navigation bar of Android Pie, or you can even use the hardware buttons if you want to. And let me show you the customizations quickly. So here is my home screen, and if I swipe down from here, as you can see, I have customized the quick toggles over here to square meadow, and I'll show you the customizations right now. If you go into the settings, you will find this Havoc settings. Inside over here, you will get all the customizations you need, and you have everything. Let me show you from the status bar. You have double tap to sleep, brightness control from the status bar is there, smart pull down and quick pull down is there. You have the clock settings, and from here you can customize even the font style of the clock like this. I have changed it to bold italic, and you can change it to whatever you like from these many options over here. Let's go back. You can change the position and stuff. You can change it to left if you want to. Over here we have breathing SMS and breathing call, like the missed call and voicemail notification option, I guess. And over here we have the battery style option. You have circle, dotted circle over here, but no big dotted circle is present over here, note that. And we have the battery percentage showing option next to the icon or inside the icon. And we have battery bar if you use the battery bar kind of thing. And over here we have the network traffic indicator. We have the hide arrow option, and net activity auto hide threshold is over there. If you want to use it, you can use it. And Wi-Fi indicator and stuff is there. Carrier label customizations is over here. And inside status bar icons, you get all the status bar icons like headset, Bluetooth hotspot, etc. Let's go back. We have the VoLTE icon enabling option, and 4G icon instead of LTE is there. Bluetooth battery status option is there. So let's go back. Inside quick settings, we have the quick settings column and row number customizations. Here we get the brightness slider option, and auto brightness icon is there. If you want to see this icon, you can just enable it. And what else? We have a lot of stuff like drag handle and stuff, and quick setting footer warning is there. Settings icon is over there. If you want to for some reason hide it, you can hide the settings icon. Let's go back. We have interface. Now this is one of the most exciting part of this ROM. Here we get the UI style. You can change it to AOSP if you want the AOSP recent style and stuff, I guess. And here we have the background color. You can change it to automatic, wallpaper based, which is, and light, dark and black. And we have the notification color option. You can change the notification color too, like particularly if you have a notification, the color should be white or black, you can choose it from here. And what else? We have the accent color option. You have the material palette colors and the requested, like the user requested colors over here. So night mode is also there and you can use it. And quick setting header style is there. You can change it to gray or accent based. Let me change it to accent based and let's see if it changes. And as you can see, the top part of the quick settings panel changed to actually the accent color, which is blue. So you can definitely customize it however you like. And here we have the quick setting styles. You have this circle, gradient and like lot of things like ink drop, mountain, ninja, Oreo style, poke sign, square meadow, square kill, etc. we have here. But I personally like this square meadow style. Looks pretty dope. And you can have like more quick toggles if you want to. From here you can just one tap it, I guess. Yep. And you can add whatever you want. We even have the screen record and stuff over here in the quick toggles, which is pretty cool. Let's go back. We have the font manager over here and you can change whatever font, like it will be applied on your whole UI. So you can change whatever font you like, and over here you get plethora of options by choosing these fonts. So the list just goes on, as you can see. And you can customize the font size too if you want to, and display size customization is of course there. The smallest width DPI, I guess, is set to 392, and rounded corners, you can even customize the rounded corners if you want to. Let me just show you. If I set it to 2, just look at the rounded corners on the edge, like over here it's getting rounded, and if you just do it like a little bit much, it's gonna be too much of the corners. So I'll just recommend you guys to set it to 5 or 6 maybe. And we have the corner padding too. I don't know what it does. Oh, all right, it's just like increases the distance of the notification stuff. So I think you can see it over here. It's pretty cool. And we have the dashboard icons and stuff option, and dashboard condition settings are there. And for us, we have ambient display option. You can have this now playing option, and always on display is there, but it will affect the battery, so I won't recommend using the always on display. And we have the battery level option on the ambient display, and wave hand and stuff is there. So I don't really use this stuff, so let's go back. We have smart pixels in screen, which shuts off some of the pixels. And we have the screen stabilization too, but I do not know why you would use it. And inside buttons, you have the power menu customization, and from here you can enable the advanced reboot and stuff. Let me show you. Here we get the advanced reboot option, and again lock screen advanced reboot is here. Screen off power button torch is there, so that you can just lock the phone and hold the power button to toggle torch. And what else? You have the disable keys option if you don't want to use the hardware keys, and instead you want to go with the software buttons of Android Pie. You can definitely go with this one and disable the keys. You have the swap keys option, and button touch option is there, backlight option is there, and you can have like most of the things like the home menu and back button, double tap, long press or single tap action from here. And let's go navigation bar. We have the navigation bar over here, and we have the navigation mode. You even have the smart bar option if you want to use it that way, and you can like adjust the height and stuff if you don't want it this much bigger. Let me just show you. Let's just do like this. So as you can see, it just become a little bit shorter. So you can just customize it from here. You have the pulse option. If you are playing music, it will show kind of a visualization over here. And we even have the one-handed mode. Let me just show you. And as you can see, we have the one-handed mode. You can just decrease the size of it if you want to, just like this, and you can like move it around if you want to. So this is a pretty cool feature, and you can just switch to one side whatever you want. And let's tap on the blank area to make it full screen again. So as you can see, we have all the things. Let's go inside gestures. We have the system gesture option. From here you get the swipe up home button gesture, and over here you get this swipe up home so you can just swipe up to get the recent panel and stuff. So this works fine, and if you swipe all the way up, it will get you the app drawer. So pretty cool. Let's go back. We have the swipe to take a screenshot, so 3-finger screenshot gesture is there, and we have this swipe gestures. You can customize it if you want to, and I don't know what is this. Let's go back. We have lock screen settings, and over here you have the double tap to sleep on the lock screen, and lock screen visualizer option is there. And what else? Clock font style. You can customize the clock font style on the lock screen, I guess. Let me set it to condensed light. Let's see. So as you can see, it just changed. So you have the clock style, the font changing option even on the lock screen. We even have the face auto unlock, and fingerprint unlock always is there. And you can disable quick settings panel and status bar from the lock screen if you want to. And you have some lock screen charging info and stuff from here. Let's go into recents. Here we have the recent style changing option. You can change it to stock or Android Go. Mine is set to quick step just because I'm using the Android Pie stuff. It's set to quick step by default. So now let's go into notifications, and over here you have the battery light customization, which is the notification LED customization, and you get the blink flashlight of it's similar to MIUI, I guess. Whenever you receive a call, it will blink the flashlight, so that's how it is. And we have the heads up disabling option from here. Less boarding heads up is there. We have the notification ticker option, and we have some in-call vibration options like vibrate on connect, vibrate on call waiting, vibrate on disconnect and stuff. So that things are there. Let's go back. We have animations. You can customize the whole UI animations from here. So do you see how many customizations are there? And you can change it, the quick settings action animation, I guess, like flip or rotate. You can change it. I think you need to reboot the phone once to take the effect of this option. So that's how it is. But we have the animation style option of the quick settings panel over here. And we even have the screen off animation. You can change it to CRT. Let me just show you. And as you can see, I think you noticed it, the CRT animation is there. So every customization you need, I think almost is there. And we have some signature spoofing and stuff, dirty stuff over here. So let's move back. We have the IME settings, and from here you get the selector notification, auto keyboard, disable full screen keyboard, not so much useful. Inside battery saving, we have some sensor block per package option and some suspend action and stuff. Dose settings is there. Inside MISC, we have the wake up on charge disabling option, and you can set the screenshot type. So that is all regarding the customizations, and all the things like the night mode and stuff is working super fine. You don't need to worry. So this is one hell of a customizable ROM for your Redmi Note 3 pretty much. So let me just quickly show you the system panel, and over here you have the about phone. And if I go to Android version, of course this is based on Android Pie. So the HavocOS version is 2.0, and this is the 4th December 2018 build, and the security patch is of the latest December 5th 2018. And here's the stock kernel version, which is the Eskrima kernel, and here's the build number for you guys. So now let's talk about the daily driving performance, opening up apps, and the RAM management. Let's open File Explorer, Facebook, and Twitter. So as you can see, all the apps are in memory. So the app download speeds are pretty fine considering this is a 3-year-old device. So I have no issues regarding the RAM management or the app open speeds at all. And you can just switch between apps just like this. So this is pretty cool and quick. And you can remove each app just like this. And you can remove all the apps just by tapping on the clear all button. And if you want to see some gaming performance, well, let's play PUBG. And here of course we have the Android Pie volume panels over here. It is there. So Android Pie volume panels are working fine, and you can just put the phone into general or vibrate or silent from here. Let me just show you the settings again. Here As you can see, it says this option will be available on your device soon. So the maximum you can run is balanced and a medium. So as you can see, the gaming performance is fine enough. You don't need to worry about huge lags or stutters, as I do not face any kind of huge lags at all. But the phone is getting a little bit heat up, so you can feel a little bit heat in the back panel, but that's pretty much normal, I guess. And the battery life over here is pretty good. Considering this is a 3 years old device, I'm getting 4 to 4.5 hours of screen on time, which is pretty good. And over here, one thing regarding the stock camera and stuff, we have the basic old Google camera, but you can install Pixel 3 camera too if you want to. If you don't know how to do it, here is a card, and this ROM of course does have camera to API by default. You don't need to worry. And regarding banking apps, well, the Google Pay was not working really. So I went to the app settings, then went to the Play Service Apps Info, then went to the permission. Then from there, I disabled the phone and SMS app permission of the Play services, and then I tried to set up Google Pay, and from there it started working fine. So right now Google Pay is working fine. So for that you need to just disable the phone and SMS app permission from the Play services app. So keep that in mind. So other than that, I have to say this is one amazing ROM, and I can definitely daily drive with this ROM. No issues, like I do not have any kind of issues over here. I did not find any kind of bugs over here. So there you have it. This is the best ROM for your Redmi Note 3. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.